Well, you thought I was done, didn't you? I just happen to have a utility sink here, and I wanted to show you, I rinsed out everything right in here, and I made sure it didn't go down the drain. See all the little sand bits and stuff down in there? And I don't want to rinse that down there, so I happen to have, I always carry some paper towels, and I keep them here by the sink for this exact reason. Not so much to dry my hands, because usually I'll have some towels around or something, but to get stuff like this, it's still wet down there, so now I can take that and kind of sop up most of that sand. I don't like to get all that dirt and grime down the drain. Hey, there's another paper towel somebody threw away. I'll just use that one. See, now that stuff won't go down there and get my my P-trap all messed up and full. And it will happen over time, It won't be just because of that little grit. But anyways, that's what I do when I get done with the utility sink. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.